Welcome to our Splunk SPL series. Today we're exploring the tail command, a powerful tool for extracting recent data from your search results. The tail command allows you to fetch the last N events from your search pipeline, making it essential for recent data analysis and real-time monitoring activities. This command is particularly useful when you need to focus on the most current information in your datasets. The tail command follows a simple and straightforward syntax. You pipe your search results into tail, followed by an optional limit parameter. The basic structure is your search query followed by a pipe symbol, then tail, and optionally limit equals n, where n is the number of events you want to retrieve. The purpose of this command is to return the last n events from your search pipeline results, giving you access to the most recent data points. Let's look at a practical example of the tail command in action. To get the last 10 events from web logs, you would write index equals web_logs pipetail 10. This query searches the web logs index and returns only the last 10 events. An important thing to remember is the default behavior. When you don't specify a limit parameter, tail automatically returns the last 10 events by default. The tail command becomes more flexible when you use the limit parameter to specify exactly how many events you need. For example, if you want to examine the last 50 events from security logs, you would write index equals security, pipetail limit equals 50. This approach gives you complete control over the number of recent events returned, allowing you to adjust based on your specific analysis requirements. The tail command shines in several important scenarios. It's perfect for recent error analysis, where you need to examine the latest errors in your system. It's also valuable for monitoring latest user activities, checking current system status, and implementing real-time monitoring solutions. A practical example would be monitoring recent errors by searching index equals app_logs error, pipetail limit equals 25. This helps you quickly identify and respond to recent issues. To optimize your use of the tail command, follow these best practices. Always use specific time ranges to improve performance and relevance. Filter your data before applying tail to ensure you're getting the most relevant recent events. Consider combining tail with stats commands for enhanced analysis capabilities. Adjust the limit parameter based on your specific needs, rather than always using the default. Remember that tail operates on your search results pipeline, so use it strategically as part of your overall data analysis workflow. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.